Hello, welcome to Content Writing World. I am Shafaka Sif. You might be writing every day, but these 5 mistakes are silently killing your content. By the end of this video, you'll write like someone who's been in the industry for years, not like a beginner. Let's fix these 5 writing mistakes and level up instantly. Beginners think more words equals better writing. Wrong. Clarity beats clutter. Say what you mean once. Cut the fluff. Trust your reader. Words like get, do, make, go. They make your writing sound lazy. Replace them with vivid, precise verbs. If your reader needs a deep breath to finish your sentence, you've lost them. Use rhythm. Break long ideas into short, powerful lines. Your tone is your voice. Don't start casual and suddenly sound like a textbook. Decide. Are you a coach, a friend, or a journalist? And stay consistent. Good writers don't write perfect first drafts. They edit. Step away from your text, then reread it like it's not yours. Here's what happens when you fix these mistakes. Show one paragraph with all 5 issues. Now it's your turn. Comment below which mistake you make the most. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more writing hacks that actually work.